I think I need some fresh tomatoes for dinner tonight. Let me grab some milk because I am running out at home. I am looking for some fresh bread to make breakfast tomorrow. I want to pick some fresh apples because they look really healthy. I think I have everything I need, so I am ready to check out now.
I am making a warm cup of tea to start my morning today. I am cutting some fresh vegetables to cook a healthy meal today. I am cooking dinner now, and it smells really delicious already.
I am preparing the table because it is almost time for dinner now.
I am ready to enjoy my meal, and everything looks very delicious today.
I am waking up early today because I have a few things to do. I am cleaning the house a little because I want everything to look nice today. I am taking some time to relax and read a book after finishing my work. I am getting ready to rest now because it has been a long and busy day. I just finished my shopping and I got everything I needed today. What are you planning to cook for dinner later this evening? I am going to cook something simple because I feel a little tired today.
I hope you enjoy your evening and have a lovely dinner at home today.
Follow Nana English Daily to learn simple English in your daily life.